Independence Day amid COVID-19. Defense Ministry special arrangements for celebration at Red Fort. The Ministry of Defense is organizing an Independence Day flag hosting ceremony on 15 August at Red Fort in Delhi, maintaining the balance between the sanity and the dignity of the national function while factorizing in precautions related to COVID-19 scenario. All the invitees have been requested to wear masks. Besides, an adequate number of sustainable masks are being kept handy for the distribution at various points of the venue. Similarly, the availability of hand sanitizers at predefined locations has been done. Display boards are placed discreetly to attract the attention of the invitees. Participation of the event is only through invitation, and members who do not have formal invites have been requested to refrain from coming to the venue. About 4,000 plus invites have been issued to the officials, diplomats, number of public, media, etc. Thermal screening at all the entry points for invites have been planned. Thorough sanitation of the premises inside and outside the Red Fort is being carried out regularly. Adequate medical booths at 4 locations have been set up near the rampart, at Madhav's Park, and a couple of them at 15 August Park. The booths will cater to any attendee who is detected having any symptoms related to COVID-19 during the entry. Ambulances would be also stationed at the 4 locations. Seating enclosure and walkways have been laid with wooden flooring and carpeting to facilitate seamless movement of the guests at time, avoiding overcrowding of the people. Additional door frame metal detectors with adequately spaced marking have been provided to avoid queuing and to ensure smooth passage for all the invitees. Most of the parking areas have been brick lined and paved to ensure smooth entry and exit of the vehicles. Members of the Guard of Honor have been under quarantine to bring in safety. The guiding principle for seating has been done. 2 gaz ki duri, 6 feet distance between any 2 guests being seated during the event. With an eye on safety, NCC candidates have been invited to witness the event. Instead of young school children, they have been seated at the Janpat. Reporter Bhumika Bansal, Country and Politics.